Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Something I probably like. Today I will be making some macaroni balls or mac balls or mac bites, what I'm gonna call it. So here are my ingredients. I have some macaroni cheese I made. However, I did put additional cheese. I'm also a string cheese. And I want more of a cheese, even though it's cheesy, but still I want an extra cheese. I got my eggs to bind it. I have flour as well as some panko. This is the panko right there. Oh yeah, we're gonna need some cooking grease, any kind. So yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get started. I want my bites fairly big, so I'm gonna use my scooper. If you want to form it in your hands, you can, and make it into like a ball. The scooper is like to aid me, to assist me. You want to make sure pat it in. Before I put it in the egg wash, I'm gonna coat it with this flour first. You want to just take off this. If you got to pat it again to make sure it's into a ball, go right ahead. Alright, now I'm going to put it inside this egg mixture. And, drop off the excess. Now I'm going to put it into the panko. Okay. I'm trying to think, do I want to double dip this again?
A few moments later.
Okay, this is how all of them look. So I'm going to take this and cover it up and put it in the freezers to let it firm up while I got the oil getting hot. Okay, I had the balls, the macaroni bites, and the refrigerator cool for a while. But if you're going to make it right in there, put it in the freezer and let it firm up a little bit. I'll put this aside. The oil is on medium, well, above medium high. So just a little bit below high. You don't want it too high, but high enough though. And probably the last four, I'll put it in another separate one. I don't want it too crowded up. But just like every few minutes, you just want to turn it around so it can incorporate and fry evenly. Okay, it's been on about a minute. I'm just going to try to flip it a little bit. You ever see how it's getting brown on the other side? So yeah, I'm going to flip this. Come on, flip now. Don't play with me. Yes, see how brown it's getting? Come on, don't play. You already know how this goes. You ain't new to this rodeo? So I'm going to keep this in for another minute and a half. Then I'm going to take it out. Okay, it's been another minute. So it smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. That macaroni and cheese, which it is. Alright, so I'm going to check this real quick. Okay, yes, it's browned up. I'm going to let the oil drip and make sure you put it on a wire rack. But yeah, I used to put it on paper towel because that's where I grew up. But yeah, not no more. Wire rack it is. To where we went. Yes. Alright, I'm going to take the last four I have and put that inside. Another minute and a half. I'm just going to turn the stove off. And I'm going to take this out. Check it first. Okay, brown enough. Yes, I got the two again. So I'm going to plate this up and I'm going to get to you. Lord swear. I'm going to get to you. I already know. It smells so good. And tell me why it smells so good. And tell me why it looks so good. Well, you guys see it too. And tell me why it looks so good. And tell me why it smells so good. Yes. I've been seeing this all around. You feel me? All around the town. People make this. I actually been seeing them make it, but I really wasn't thinking about making it myself. I had some macaroni and cheese left over, and I see recipes. I'm like, man, I could do this. And probably for a change. Usually for Thanksgiving, I know we're too early for that, but if the Lord's will, Thanksgiving instead of regular macaroni and cheese, I might make the bites. Let me just break it to it. You better have that cheese pull. You better not embarrass me. You better not embarrass me now. Ooh, when I taste so crispy. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And you keep on. Whew. You ain't couldn't play today. And I ain't either. Neither did my stomach. And it's still dripping. Let me get through this food review because this stores keep hating on me. So good. Oh my goodness. Crispy, crunchy, creamy, and good. And let's not forget bait. That's the key. If you seen a video I did, I don't think it was really called anything, but I was like eating some pizza and different things, and one of them was the macaroni bites. You'll know about the macaroni bites if you watch that video. If you didn't watch it, you don't know that. So head on over. Well, first watch this first, then head on over. But on that video, I explain, I'm not gonna tell you. However, when I tell you this, what I made, this masterpiece, gotta be, whoo! Not only is it bigger, it's better. And it would need the sauce, but I do got a little bit of the dipping sauce. Oh yeah, with the sauce, I mixed it with Caesar dressing, and it's the hickory brown sugar. So good. I can't remember the ingredients in the macaroni and cheese because I didn't post it as a video. I just made it like, you know, on hand, like, you know, in the house or whatever like that. But based on your macaroni and cheese, if you get down like that, so good. Oh my god, this is 10. 10 on that, baby. And I ain't capping. You already see for yourself. So I show you again? Just living that sauce a little bit. Even though I don't need it. I feel like that when a lady, because why is it so good? But like I said, 10. 10 on that. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. You better make this before I clean your kitchen and make it about. Y'all have a blessed day.